Welcome to Cueva Padre Nuestro, a cave in the eastern Dominican Republic that is a part of a large freshwater aquifer system that supplies resorts and nearby towns with fresh water. It's also a popular cave diving site. Here we can see the entrance to the cave, the extent that sunlight reaches back into the cavern. This is a popular recreational cave diving site. It's been mapped for about 300 meters into when it becomes impassable for divers. You can see back in the cave some stalactites and stalagmites hanging from the ceiling and coming up from the floor. You can see them here as well. And those indicate that the cave was a dry cave when it was formed and for quite a while afterwards. And this is very important because this cave flooded slowly throughout time, and so we see a lot of evidence of humans and animals in the cavern in the part that is now submerged. So, for example, extinct sloth bones have been found and recovered from this cavern, and we're going to come up here on our first evidence of human activity. And this is the remains of what we believe to be a hearth or a fire pit. So at one point when this portion of the cavern was dry, this was used as a shelter perhaps. And then on top of our hearth we can see some modern horse remains, modern horse bones, evidence of more recent human and animal activity. And as we circle back around, we're coming back around to where we started our dive towards the entrance of the cave. And this is where, as we come up on the slope to the entrance and exit of the cavern mouth, we find evidence of pre-Columbian water gatherings, some ceramic vessels on that slope leading out of the cave. And this is our most recent archaeological deposits of evidence of freshwater gathering in this cavern that is still used as a freshwater gathering site today. And we also gather water ourselves for water samples to test the pH of the water and the elemental makeup and trace elements, and this allows us to examine the health of the water and the stability of the aquifer system, as well as understand how that impacts the elements in the ceramics or the bones that we are studying from this cavern. And here we come up that slope and out of our cavern mouth. And thank you for joining us on our tour of Cueva Padre Nuestro.